You gotta pick one up. Get it, Anna.
Get it. She wants a snuggle. And then actually let her pick him up.
Yeah.
She can catch him, yeah.
Well, she gotta go quick, Anna. Grab him quick.
Grab her tummy.
Inside the chicken coop, they stop a lot more and they just kind of duck down.
I like have to be right here.
But when they're out here, they're harder to catch. Just grab the other one, Anna.
Get that one, babe.
Oh, grab the feathers. You gotta sneak up on him. Don't just.
Sneak up behind him a little bit slower.
There's one right over there. Sneak up behind her. Grab her. Just grab her.
Get her. Baby, somebody help me. Somebody
Get him. Get him. Get him. Get him.
get her, baby. Get her. Okay, I'll stop her. Okay, get her. Get her. Get her. Get her. Yo, she's stuck. Get her.
Uh-huh.
She's trying to make a break for the house. Oh, there she is. Nice work, sis. I think she likes you.
I hope Peter doesn't come by.
People put ethical